Hi, my name is Michonski. I'm the lead technician for Atlas Material Handling. Today I'm going to show you the best way to take a set of forks off and reinstall them on a forklift. Want to lift the forks about waist high. Engage your parking brake so the forklift doesn't move. Next thing will be to lift the fork locking pins so they won't lock into the notches on the top of the carriage. Slide it into the opening on the bottom of the carriage. Lift it slightly, move them over. After this, you want to get back on your forklift. Drive up to any pallet, lower it until the forks jump off the carriage, and back away. You want to tilt the mast all the way forward. Drive up to the forks like such. You want to have the carriage just so it goes underneath the edge of the forks so it catches the top of the carriage. Lift it roughly about waist high, tilt it level. Put on your emergency brake. Once again, you already have the fork pins in the upright position, so they'll slide on the carriage and not get engaged into the notch. Slide it until you reach the center position with the notch in the bottom of the carriage, and slide it back over. And you want to turn your top fork pins so it'll engage in each notch. Okay, now your forks are properly installed, everything's safe, ready to go lift whatever product you have.